So we have 65 divided by 7, we have 9.28571, 428,571. This is where your calculator will stop. It is either your calculator stop at 9.28571, 42857. So this simply means that it can't repeat the group of figures again. Okay, so in this case, but here I have it in full. This is what your calculator is supposed to write: 28571, 428,571, 428,571, and so on. Okay, but to save the repetition of the group of figures, so it's going to stop at 57 here. So you can see now the group of figures that repeat itself: 285,714. You can see again 285,714, again 285, and it continues. So instead of your calculator repeating 285,714, 28571, it stops at 7. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11-digit display. Okay, just 11-digit display. So now we can just say 9.285,714. Okay, it is this 285,714 that repeats itself. Okay, so number 7, we have minus 5 over 11, and this gives us 0. Minus 0.4545 45 45 45, and so on. So you can just say 45 is the group of figures that repeat itself. We just say minus 0.45. Instead of writing 45 45 45, you have minus 0.45. So example 8, we have one whole number 5 over 6, and this is a mixed number. So we change this mixed number to improper fraction. That is 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 5, that's 11. You have 11 over 6. Okay, so 11 divided by 6, you have 1.83333333, and the 3 continues to repeat itself. So we can just say our final answer will be 1.83. Instead of writing 33, you can just say 1.83. Okay, so example 9, we have 4 over 9, which gives us 0.44444, and so on. So since the 4 recurs, then we can just say 0.4 as our answer. Number 10, we have 337 over 99. When you divide this, you have 3.4040404040. Now our final answer will be 3.40, because the first 0 is the group of figures that repeat itself. 4040 repeats itself, so you just have 3.40. Number 11, we have 3 over 11. 3 divided by 11, you have 0.27 27 27 27 27, and the 27 repeats itself. So instead we just say 0.27. Since the 27 is a group of figures that repeat itself, just have 0.27. So example 12, we have 1 over 9, and 1 divided by 9 gives 0.11111111, and this one continues to repeat itself, so we just have 0.11. 1 as our answer, because 1 is the recurring number, the recurring figure. So number 13, we have 1000, 10,000, sorry, we have 10,000 divided by 999. 10,000 divided by 999, that gives 10.01001, and so on. It repeats itself. So we just have 10.0100. Okay, just have 10.0100 because it is this 0100 that repeats itself. So a 010, 010, okay, 010, 010 repeat itself. You see 010, 010, 010. So we just have 10.010. Okay, so example 14, we have 3.37 over 90, and that gives us 0.0374444, and the 4 repeats itself, so we just have 0.0374. So instead of writing the 44444, we just need to pick one, and we have it this way. Example 15, we have 111 over 99. 111 divided by 99, that gives 1.12, and it repeats itself. So we just simply say 1.12. Since this group of figures repeat itself, 1212, then we just put it there, 12. Example 16, we have 50 divided by 37, and that gives us 1.35, 135, okay, and it repeats itself. So we can just say 1.351. That is 351 repeats itself. You can see 351, 351. Definitely this will be 351, and it repeats itself. So we just put the group of figures that repeat itself. That's 351. Okay. Now example 17, we have 5. Example 17, we have 33.7, similar to example 14, divided by 19, we have 0.374444, and the 4 repeats itself, so you can just say 0.374. Pick one of the recurring figures, which is 4. 4 repeats itself, so we just pick one. Okay. Example 18, we have 13 over 99. That gives 0.1313131313, and it repeats itself, so we can just say 0.13. Okay, since 131313 repeats itself, just have 0.13. Okay. Example 19, we have 65 over, okay, I think we've done 65 over 7 at number 6 example. Okay, let's say we have minus 3 over 7. Okay, so we have minus 0.428571428 571428571, and so on. So you want to pick your answer, you just have 428571 repeat itself. You can see 428571, 428571. But for your calculator that display 11 digits, you just have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is where your calculator will stop. So it's going to approximate this, and this list will change to 6 if your calculator displays 11 digits. So instead of stopping at 6, you can see this 428571 repeats itself. 428, your calculator changes this to 6. instead of writing 571 again and writing 42857, so we just select 0.42857, okay, as minus. Okay, and example 20, we have 330 over 7, and that gives us 47.14285714285714285 and it repeats itself. For your calculator that displays 11 digits, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is where it's going to stop. It's going to approximate this and you have 3. So instead, just look at it, 1428571. This is the group of figure that repeats itself. Look at this and see. So from here, it repeats itself again, 142857157, sorry, then it continues to repeat itself again. You can see. So you have 1428571, 147.1428557, okay, 57, okay. So it repeats, the 1428557 repeats itself. So instead of your calculator to repeat 1428571, it stops at 143, okay.